In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Data Studio with Google Analytics. Let's dive into the world of data visualization with Google Tools, starting with Looker Studio, formerly known as Google Data Studio. This powerful tool allows you to create customizable reports and dashboards, providing you with insightful and attractive visual representations of your data directly from Google Analytics and other data sources. First, we'll start by accessing Looker Studio. For those of you new to this, Looker Studio is Google's free data visualization tool that lets you transform your data into informative, easy to understand reports through dynamic and interactive charts and tables. You'll find it by searching for Looker Studio in your browser, or simply head over to the Looker Studio website. Once you're on the Looker Studio homepage, you're going to want to create a new report. To do this, look for the Report button. Clicking on this will initiate a new report for you to customize. Remember, creating a report from scratch allows you the flexibility to design the layout and choose the exact data you want to visualize. Next, we need to connect our data source, in this case Google Analytics. On the Looker Studio report page you're working on, you'll notice an option to add data. This is where you'll select Google Analytics. Connecting Google Analytics as your data source allows you to pull in the metrics and dimensions directly from your website's analytics, offering a plethora of data points you can visualize in your report. Now it's time to add some specifics to our report. Once Google Analytics is selected as your data source, you'll move on to selecting the specific data you want to report on by clicking on Data Report. This step is crucial as it determines what data from your Google Analytics will be displayed and how it will be organized in your report. Think of it as selecting the building blocks for your report, whether you're focusing on user demographics, page views, session duration, or any other metric. This is where you make that choice. The final step in the process is adding this data to your report. By clicking on Add, you're bringing your selection into the report template you're working on. This action is what brings your data to life within Looker Studio. You'll see that the data starts to populate in charts, tables, or whichever visualization methods you've chosen. It's here that the beauty of Looker Studio really comes to life as you begin to see your Google Analytics data in a visual format, making it easier to interpret and share with others. Let's talk a bit about customizing your report. Looker Studio provides a wide range of customization options. From the type of charts you can use, be it bar graphs, line charts, pie charts, or tables, to the colors, fonts, and layouts, you have the creative freedom to make your report as simple or as complex as you like. Experiment with these options to create a report that not only meets your informational needs, but is also aesthetically pleasing. Remember, the goal of using Looker Studio with Google Analytics is not just to create any report, but to create a report that offers valuable insights. Pay close attention to the trends and patterns your data visualization reveals. This might give you actionable insights into website performance, user behavior, and potentially guide your future business decisions and strategies. In conclusion, integrating Looker Studio with Google Analytics is a straightforward process that opens up a world of possibilities for data visualization and analysis. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating dynamic, insightful, and visually appealing reports. These reports can help you understand your data at a glance, identify trends, and make informed decisions for your website or business. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has illuminated the process of creating compelling reports with Looker Studio and Google Analytics. Dive in, explore the data, and unlock the full potential of your analytics with visually stunning reports. Happy analyzing!